So something happened the other day. I got a text message at a random hour in the morning, and what had happened is that I got FedEx tracking for something, and it was an 8-piece shipment out of California, and 6 of them showed up yesterday, 2 of them showed up today, but that's okay because all of them would not even fit in this Wrangler, which is crazy. Which means if I got these parts and I needed to put them in my 2-door Bronco and take them to where I needed to take them to get installed, it just wouldn't happen. I'd have to unbox everything completely. I don't think you guys are ready for this, which I don't even understand because they're not supposed to ship till September. Well, I'm gonna give it away right now. These lift kits. These lift kits for the Bronco aren't supposed to ship to September. They kept getting pushed back. Honestly, it was supposed to be here in March, and that's why I haven't even touched this thing because, well, I did just touch it, but that's besides the point. That's not staying on there. I just wanted to test the color on here, but that's why we haven't touched it, because there's literally there was no parts available. I couldn't get this, and all the lift kits that were available were in fact small, like 2-3 inches max. I think you go 4 inches on that Bronco without moving any of your control arms. In the back of the Wrangler, we have something quite amazing. Yes, this is the 7-inch lift kit for our Ford Bronco. Yes, 7 inches. Right now, Rough Country's got it topped at 5 inches, but we finally have our hands on the 7-inch Belltech kit for that unit over there, which is so exciting. So like I said, guys, we actually have 2 more boxes that just showed up today, and those are the back coilovers, and there's another large box. I'm not sure if it's another, I'm not 100% sure. So all I can say here is this is gonna be one of the largest 2-door Broncos so far. Obviously this kid has been on a 2-door Bronco, but out and about, consumer based, it's gonna be literally very, very big. Just keep in mind that this Jeep was lifted for 4 inches, so we're adding another 3 and probably a lot larger tire on this guy right here. Okay, so let's break these open. Like I said, front and rear coilovers on this guy. I'm excited to see what Belltech has been working on, all this stuff, especially on this. It's one of the first ever non-spacer lifts for this. Most of the things now are just, little lifting pucks, get you in the air, maybe some upper control arms here and there, stuff like that. This is a whole replaceable lifted coilover. And like with that, like I said, you could adjust the preload and get this thing up to 7, or I think down to 5. Which is pretty sweet. So I think a lot of people are gonna run this probably at about 5 or 6, but cranking this all the way up gives us a very large lift kit on something very small. So this should be interesting. This hardware kit rear, so the front coilovers just showed up today. Comes with a spanner wrench here and the hardware. Wow, oh my goodness. Oh, whoa. These things are absolutely beautiful. Whoa. Gold bodies. Oh my, what is going on here? I am confused. This thing is ginormous. And that doesn't even have the top plate on. So I'm assuming you're gonna end up stealing your factory top plate and putting it on here. Oh my goodness. I love the gold bodies and the red. Oh my goodness. I'm actually, guys, this is the first time me seeing these or anything, because they said they're making a coilover kit, but I really never even seen them. But here you go. Got your dual rate too. Got your helper spring, you got your mainspring. This is crazy. Like I said, it's got these up here, so I'm gonna assume that this plate goes on top of whatever comes off of there. But this is, I just have a feeling this thing's gonna ride pretty good. And as you can see here, I'm gonna assume loosen that up, adjust this. I don't know, yeah, like truly, I don't know where this is set right now, but we're gonna get this thing set at 7 inches of lift, but this thing is gigantic. That's cute. That's cute. God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo. That's a track bar bracket if I've ever seen one. Oh my God. Oh, no wonder this is so heavy. Oh my God. That's some thick, chunky shit, man. That is some quality stuff right there. Oh my goodness. That is so thick. This is how they should be made. Wow. Good tight. Yeah, that's some quality stuff. Look at how thick this track bar is. This is for a Bronco. That's incredible. That's great. Beef. This is so chunky and it's welded so nice and everything's so nice. Jesus. Just make sure. So guys, we got the whole Belltech kit tucked away over here. This thing's gonna look sharp. These brackets are so, one, sturdy and thick and just well made. The welds are incredible, the whole line. Cross members, knuckles, front coilovers, rear coilovers, skid plates, sway bar, all of that stuff. The Belltech kit, like I said, I'm beyond impressed just without even putting it on. It's built right, it's sturdy. Did you see the size of that rear track bar? It's just an incredible lift. And I can't wait to get it thrown on this Bronco, which we will very, very soon. Other than the interior and stuff like that, guys, we've got this whole Bronco, pretty much everything we need to do-ish kind of here already. So we're gonna start taking care of that shortly. We're gonna get digging into this build finally after all of this time just waiting and waiting and waiting. That's what sucks about getting a new body style, first year model. You will spend a lot of time waiting because companies need to do research and development / new suspension. They have to redesign stuff they already have and all of that and create brand new products for a brand new vehicle. It's absolutely nuts. But we're finally in the time where stuff's coming out. And like I said, I think we're actually one of the first people to obtain our Belltech lift for this Bronco. So I'm very, very excited. If you guys enjoyed this video and are very ready for this series, shoot this video a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please hit the click subscribe. Drop me a comment if you haven't already. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.